This semester I came in pretty skeptical about using technology in the classroom. I think I was more of a traditionalist, just having grown up not really using a lot of technology in my classrooms in elementary school especially. I was thinking that it was better to not use it, but after taking this class I've picked up on a lot of beneficial things about using technology, like especially the up-and-coming things like podcasts and online games and Kidspiration and things like that that I wasn't aware of before we looked at those taking this class. But now I'm able to see that those are really actually helpful tools and things that get the kids excited, and I think that they probably will connect with kids on their level in a way that I might not even understand because they are new to me, but I realize that it's better to use things that are gonna really make them get it, rather than things that I'm just comfortable with. So I am leaving the class much more prepared to use technology in the classroom and much more willing to do so.